Efficiency is often in direct conflict with resilience. Right now, every manufacturing organization across the globe is grappling with this battle in their digital supply chains. And the stakes are high. The decisions you make will impact your organization's ability to respond to events faster and more efficiently than your competitors, while delivering personal customer experiences and protecting the planet. That's no small feat. But what if you could responsibly address risk now while laying the foundation for decades of change ahead? See and fix risks before they happen. Balance efficiency and resilience, and rapidly respond to supply disruptions and changing customer demand. Cognizant helps you know where to start. Our global experience, deep technology background, and domain expertise helps the world's leading manufacturers gain rapid ROI, address risk now, and lay the foundation for decades of change ahead. We blend process transformation enabling best use of technology, a human-centric approach for alignment of business and key stakeholder needs, and insights and predictions derived from external data, internal planning systems, and advanced analytics. The result? Solutions that are both predictive and collaborative. That's intuition engineered.